Welcome to today's training video. You got the future #1 income earner with Power Lead System. Coach Corey 3 here. You can find me over on Twitter at Coach Corey 3. If you have any extra questions, feel free to tweet at me or DM me or message me on Facebook. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help you men succeed with the Power Lead System in 3 simple steps. So today I'm going to very quickly, break down the Power Lead System pay structure, their pay week commission cycle. Okay, so let's first log in mycompanyadmin.com. You know the drill. All right, we're gonna log in. We're gonna hover over account tab, far right, click on commissions earned under my money. So basically this is where you can find all your money details. This is where you can check your billing, set up your e-wallet, request your debit card, track your commissions, see your residual income, prediction report. I'm going to click on commissions and you're going to see Sunday through Saturday. So every pay cycle begins on Sunday and ends on Saturday. Today is Saturday, the last day of this pay week cycle. So let me break down a hypothetical. Let's say somebody in my downline on my team went ahead and purchased the amazing Master Traffic Institute course. Now, because I own this course here, which is an amazing course, I would receive $1,000 commission credit today. So if that happened, hypothetically speaking, this is just a made-up scenario, I would now have $1,042 in commissions for this week. Okay, so let's go to the calendar over here. I'm going to click on the calendar and make that bigger, and let's pull up, let's see, I don't know how to make it bigger here, but here we go. Today is the 10th. Today is the 10th. So if I made that $1,000 commission today, I would get paid the 21st. Okay, so not the 14th, but the 21st. So you get paid your commissions between 11 and 18 days, I believe, from the time you actually make the commission. Right here it says, we pay commissions every Wednesday, 11 days after each commission week ends. So let's do another quick hypothetical. Let's go to the start of the week. Okay, Sunday. Let's say I made that Master Traffic sale on October 4th, Sunday. If that was the case, again, I wouldn't be paid the next Wednesday on the 14th here. I would still be paid on the 21st. So if you do the quick math, that is going to be about 17 days, give or take. Okay? So Saturdays really are the day, if you want to get paid on those commissions much quicker, push hard on Saturdays. Finish out the week strong, because any money you make at the very end of or Saturday night, you know, the start of the weekend, depending on how you look at it, you will get paid on that commission quicker than the commission you earned earlier that week. So I hope that makes sense. So again, today's the 10th. It's a Saturday. The end of the pay week are Saturdays. So if we make $1,000 commission on Saturday, we're going to be receiving that $1,000 commission 11 days later on the 21st. That is exactly how it works. 11 days after each pay week ends. So finish the week strong. Keep promoting out there. This is a long-term vehicle for building true, solid, reliable residual income. And if you're working with me, feel free to contact me I will help you earn money on a consistent weekly basis, as I do myself, as you can see. And if you have any questions, drop them below in the comment section, okay? Drop them below in the comment section. I'll go ahead and put the compensation plan video underneath this video as well, so you can learn more about that. I'll see you in the next video. Take care for now and be great.